Today, we're diving into the iFi Zen DAC V2. It's budget-friendly, beautifully built, and surprisingly emotional. If you think great audio has to cost thousands, well, hang tight. Back in college, I took 2 years worth of ear training classes in just one semester. Matching complex pitches by ear, identifying tones blindfolded, that was my superpower. And that same skill, the one that helped me hear the smallest tremble in a soprano's vibrato, is what I brought to testing this little DAC. And folks, it shocked me. Let's talk build. The Zen DAC V2 is small, but it feels serious. That solid aluminum case, sleek, weighty, no nonsense. Around front, you've got a satisfying analog volume knob, a power match gain switch, a TrueBass toggle for a low-end boost, and both single-ended and balanced headphone outputs. Around back, RCA outs and a 4.4mm balanced line out. Oh, and it's USB powered. Simple, efficient. From the vast soundscapes of Sibelius' Finlandia to the smoky intimacy of Scott Hamilton's saxophone on Nocturnes and Serenades, the Zen delivered. Now, this little beast uses a Burr-Brown DSD1793 DAC chip. That means it can do native DSD and it handles PCM up to 384 kHz. If that sounds like Greek, think of it like hearing the master tape before it's touched by any filters or fuss. Balanced circuitry means cleaner power and less distortion. It's like cleaning your windshield. You didn't realize how foggy things were until the sun hit just right. And that TrueBass circuit? It's not just some EQ gimmick. It restores the low end that gets lost with some headphones. Think upright bass with body, not just string noise. Here's the thing. The Zen DAC V2 isn't about chasing the last 5% of resolution. It's about emotional connection. It's about rediscovering the breath between piano notes or the rasp of a bow on string. iFi Zen DAC V2 pros and cons. Pros, budget-friendly, described as a soulful $200 investment. Balanced circuitry, provides cleaner power and less distortion. Simple and efficient, USB powered. Cons, not focused on the last 5% of resolution. May not satisfy those seeking the absolute highest level of technical detail. It reminded me that hi-fi doesn't have to be high budget to be high impact. If you're just starting out in this hobby, or even if you're deep into it and want something elegant for your desk, the Zen DAC V2 might just be the most soulful $200 you'll ever spend. If this video helped you feel a little closer to the music, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more gear that speaks to the soul, not just the specs.